Hey guys, it's time for the purse of the month video. I know you guys have been waiting for this, but I had a lot going on and I did not switch my bag in February, but we're in March and I'm switching my bag. So you guys remember the last bag I was carrying was this Dooney and Burt bag, and I carried it January and February full of stuff. And I don't want this video to be long, so I'm not going to switch it on camera, but I'm going to switch it to this Michael Kors bag that I picked up for $149 from TJ Maxx. I have been dying for this bag. I have one like this, but it's the mini. It's a small one that I take out of town. Definitely would not hold all of my stuff. And this one right here is the larger one, so I'm hoping that I can fit some stuff in here. I like the side pockets for my cell phone. You guys know I like to be able to grab my phone and go. So this was $149 from TJ Maxx. And just to let you guys know I had this full of money. Change, all kinds of change. I cashed it in and I had $213 in there. So that's a year of change, and it wasn't even full to the top. It wasn't even. I'm gonna see if I can get it full this year. So as I dump out this purse, I can start my change all over again. So first of all, in this purse, my handy dandy Michael Kors wallet, and I'm pretty sure there's some change in here, so I'm gonna take it out and put it in there. In the first zipper part, I just have all my cards, and in the second zipper part is where I keep my money and my driver's license, just so I can like grab it really quickly. There's a little pocket right there on the side. If I ever need to get my license out, I can just grab it. So this is my grab and go bag. You guys, everybody asks me about that. I get those from Macy's or Belk's. I love them. I'll never trade it. They have different colors. They have this one. They do have that one, but I was thinking about getting one more just for when I switch my purses, but I don't always switch to a Michael Kors purse, so it might be a waste of money. My checkbook, you guys, I wish Michael Kors would come out with a checkbook cover, like one of these checkbook covers. I really do. This is the bag that I carry my personal lady stuff in, and I'm gonna have to do some switching around to get everything in that bag. This is the bag with my lipsticks, my face powder, travel perfumes is in this bag. Alright, my keys, my car keys. I'm going to take this off. This little backpack here is from Bath and Body Works, but inside of here is my Apple headphones and adapter. So I got to take that out. I have another perfume sample that I'm going to put in the bag with my perfume stuff. I wear glasses, so I always keep a glass wipe. This is my other Michael Kors wallet, and this is the one that just has insurance cards and other cards that you may not pull out or use every day, but you don't want them bogging down your regular wallet, like AAA rewards cards, I don't know, in there. Handy dandy notebook. I have gum, my brush, a check that I did the picture check deposit to the bank, so I can throw that away now. This was a perfume sample. I've already used it. Face wipes. I haven't even used these yet. I need to put them in with my makeup because I keep forgetting that I have them. Church candy. You know when you're in church, you forgot to eat breakfast, so you need something in your mouth. A pen. You guys know I love blue ink. This is for my keys from my job. Who is this? Good Girl. Oh, this is Good Girl Carolina Hermina. I might wear this tomorrow. A sample of some perfume I got from Sephora. Forgot I had it. A hair tie and another eyeglass cover. I have a whole bunch of receipts that I need to go through. A whole bunch of receipts. And y'all know what this is. It's a head scratcher. That's what that is. Now in the bottom of this purse it's gonna go all to one side when I try to show you. A whole, maybe I can do it this way. It's a whole bunch of change. A whole bunch of change. I ain't gonna even do that. Okay, in the side pocket, I have my mint. This gum is empty. I think there's only one mint left in here. One mint. I'm going to have to go back to the Dollar Tree. Rollerball perfume. Lotion. Buxom lip gloss. I got a lot of stuff to cram into that purse. ColourPop. Messing Around. This is ColourPop Messing Around. Oh, my free shipping card from Ulta. Forgot I had that in there. In this other part, I have a hotel key from when we stayed at a hotel. I'm going to throw it away. I could not find that key when we was leaving the hotel. This is the purse hanger if you go out to dinner or go out to eat or something like that. You want to hang your purse on the table. I need to take it out of that. Alright. In the zipper part, got some cash, some band-aids, some more blue pens, something to fix my glasses in case I have an emergency, Tylenol, some more pens. Oh, this is, oh, I still got $18.97 left on this Sephora card. Some more receipts. This is the card from the bag that I've written on to register my bag. And then I got a whole bunch of change in here. Whole bunch of change in here. And besides all of the change, this bag is, all that change is about to fall. This bag is done. So now I have to go through putting it in here. I don't know the name of this Michael Kors bag. It may be on the inside. I had to have it when I seen it. I love the gold buckles. I love everything about this bag. There's a pocket on this side, and there is a pocket on this side. Oh my God. I love everything about this bag. There is a strap that I probably will never use because I never use those straps. Never use those straps. Take all this paper out. Just so y'all can see the inside of the bag. There is a zipper compartment there, and then there is pouches here, and then there is two more over here. Two more over there. So I am super excited. This bag does retail for $328. $328. But I got it for $149. Your girl did that. So I am going to go try to cram everything in this bag. Wish me luck. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.